Today, we're gonna cook together a summer squash pasta. It's super easy to make and it tastes so good, you're gonna love it. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel I share simple recipes like this one and a lot of tips to help you be more confident in the kitchen so you can cook more at home. If that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button so you and I can cook together a couple times a week. To get this meal going and get it on the table really quickly, I'm going to start by boiling my pasta. You need about 2 cups of any pasta that you like, or about half a box. So while my pasta cooks, we're gonna make the rest of this meal. I have some summer squash here that I simply trimmed the ends, and to make it easier to cut, I'm gonna chop it into a couple of pieces, and I'm just going to slice it in half and cut it into thinner half moons, just like that. The thinner your squash, the quicker it'll cook in the skillet. So now that my summer squash is all here, it's gonna shrink down when you cook it, so don't worry, it's not too much. I'm gonna start by heating up some olive oil on my skillet. Into the hot oil, I'm going to add some minced garlic. You can grate it or chop it, totally up to you. And we're going to toast the garlic for about 30 seconds or so. And then I'm gonna add my butter into the pan. I'm gonna melt it with the garlic. Butter helps create a nice creamy texture without having to add any cream. Now I'm gonna add my sliced summer squash right into my pan, some Italian seasoning, some salt and pepper. I'm gonna saute this for about 5 minutes right here until the summer squash kind of gets a little soft. But in the meantime, I'm also gonna keep an eye on my pasta, give it a stir here and there. Check it out, you know they're ready because the squash begins to look translucent like that. My pasta is also ready, so before I drain it out, I'm going to reserve about half a cup of pasta water. I'm gonna put right here to make a bit of a sauce after it's done. And after I reserve the pasta water, you can drain it out. And I'm gonna take my pasta and add it on top of my summer squash. Gonna give everything a quick mix. I'm going to add a bit of gorgonzola cheese. You could also use feta or goat cheese, blue cheese. A sharp cheese works great. And we're also going to add half of that reserved pasta water real quick. And together we're going to stir everything. And the heat of it is going to dissolve our cheese crumbles, create a starchy sauce. One last step that I love to do is squeeze half a lemon directly into my pasta. It brings out this freshness, the flavors of summer. You're gonna love it. And just like that, this summer pasta is ready. So simple, so delicious. Get everything you need to make this epic summer squash pasta right below this video, and see you guys next time.